Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You. I am Shikha Desai and I'm here with yet another exciting opportunity for you guys. You heard that right, TCS BPS is hiring for 2024 and today I'm going to take you all through the entire application process of TCS BPS. So we are on the TCS official site where the registrations have already started. The link is in the description, so you all can directly head to this page. Okay. From here, we will learn how to go about the application process. Let us discuss more about the role first, and then we'll go to the application process. So basically, it is inviting the graduates of 2024 to apply for TCS BPS. It's a fresher hiring. The important dates, the registration end date is very important. It is 26th of April 2024. That's a Friday. And the test date will be 4th of June 2024. That is a Tuesday. So we'll go through the about section of TCS BPS hiring for 2024 year of passing graduates. Basically, it is open for arts, commerce, science graduates from 2024. You can be a part of TCS fastest growing units too, and there are various enriching roles that you all can apply for. Application process for TCS BPS. Again, students who are interested to apply for TCS BPS, it is mandatory for you to register on the below link. So along with me, I will help you all go through this entire application process, so you all don't need to worry. Let's together start your application and get prepared for TCS BPS hiring of 2024. Let's get started.
This amazing update that has come up alongside with TCS BPS hiring is that TCS MBA hiring is now live on their official page. So we'll quickly discuss about the registration status, registration end date and test date. As you all can see, the end date is 10th May 2024. So if you all are eligible, kindly apply, and the test date is going to be on the 17th of June 2024. There's a register button. Just go ahead, register. The entire process for application will be similar as we are going to discuss ahead. Let's quickly discuss the eligibility. 2 years full-time MBA, MMS, PGDBA and PGDM course with specializations in marketing, finance, operations, supply chain management, information technology, general management, business analytics, project management, and all the related disciplines offered by some recognized university and college are invited. Application process remains the same. We'll go about the application process now. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's begin.
Online Study for You have come up with their new TCS BPS hiring preparation kit for 2024. That is, the content includes aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, the previous year question papers, everything at one place for just 512 rupees. So hurry up, get this course in case you'll need any help for BPS. Step 1, log on to the TCS Next Step portal, which is the link is given called here. You have to click on that. Then verification, personal details, your Aadhaar number, name as per Aadhaar card, date as per Aadhaar card, all of that. Registration, then the real registration will start, wherein you'll have to apply for the drive, category BPS, okay, select your mode and then track your application. Basically, it is an in-center test, not at home wala test, and the centers will be first come first serve basis. So that is very very important to take a note. It will be first come first serve basis. Okay. And all the important notes that I hear, you'll have to just read through it. Basically, let's start with the registration process. We'll go to the Next Step portal here. If you haven't already registered, then you'll have to say register now. You'll have to say BPS, enter your email, have to fill your Aadhaar card ka last 4 digits, your name, middle name and your surname. Similarly, your date of birth, fill it, say I agree and agree to all the things, read it properly, agree, and you'll have to click on proceed. So after you fill the Aadhaar card, the next section is gender. So what you have to do is click first of all title and then gender, enter your mobile number, your institute name, your qualification, basically whatever it is. If you're an engineer, bachelor's in science, bachelor in arts, whatever it is, fill in the details. Year of passing, source type, web vendor, click on direct applicant, and source name. It's not an important field, so you can skip it, or if you want, you can fill if there is any source name, or you can fill in your name. Nearest TCS office, whichever you all want, whichever you all prefer, click on that and put the captcha and click on submit. Okay, so basically remember, you have to enter the captcha which is given and then enter the OTP manually, as basically the copy paste feature is disabled. So whatever your OTP sent to your registered email which you have put here, just put the OTP in that place and click on login. Okay, so now you can see the TCS next step portal. Okay, and first of all start with the application form. Okay, start filling the form. You put all your personal detail here, your father's name, your mother's name, your date of birth, house, your address, your road, street, landmark, all of your personal details will be put here. Your present address, if your permanent address and present address are same, then you click on yes and that niche ka field will disappear. Okay, contact details, put your correct contact details and you are good to go. So let's fill this and see what the next section is about. So basically the next section is academic and work experience details. Again, put all your details, put your graduation details, your CGPA or your marks, put whatever marks you obtained here. Click on the specialization and course type, full-time or part-time, start duration, end duration. It's self-explanatory. Then you'll go and put your 12th grade. If you'll have done 12th, if you'll have done diploma, if you'll have done both, put all the details here. The specialization, type it out, university, board of education, course duration, all of this. Okay, again same goes with 10 standard details. All the 10 standard details have to be put here. Any other qualifications, yes, no. Work experience details, if you have work experience, click yes and then type whatever you say, add a new row and then put all your work experience details here and click save. Okay, and then a declaration, whatever, read carefully. If say yes or no, after reading say I agree and you save and continue. Next we go to the other details section. Again you have to put your Aadhaar detail here, passport number if you have passport. Okay, passport number, place of issue, blah blah blah, and then again pen details. And
After
SR
PAN card,
says
next comes nationality and languages. Add all the languages that you know, the speech, what you speak, read, write, mother tongue. So I've entered English and Marathi. After you've entered that, just say save and continue. Okay, if you have any language certifications, you add it. If you don't, then don't. And again, go save and continue. It's very important to add the references. If you don't add, then the form won't be submitted. So add your references.
in case you have any achievements, scholarships and certifications, mention it here, write the certification, say save and continue. You have to enter your name, your blood group. I'm an O positive, so we'll say O positive, and upload your photo. The application preview, so just open it. So this is what we have got. Read it carefully. Now this does not mean that your application has been submitted. It is just a preview. Okay, to submit you say I agree, place वगैरह लिखो and then submit application form. You have successfully submitted the application form. Once you have done this, you are done. Your application form has been submitted. Okay, so all of these steps are done. Then you can preview and there you go. So basically I've taken you all down to the entire application process. I hope this helped you all and cleared a lot of doubts that you all might have had. So don't wait till the last date, start applying. The site goes down now and then, so keep trying again and again. Don't worry, the link will be open till 26th of April if I'm not mistaken, and apply in huge numbers. Don't wait for the last date, and yes, all the very best.